Hi everybody, I want to talk to you about can you make money using traffic from Udemy selling ClickBank products? And the answer is a resounding yes. But, and this is a huge but, you really do need to understand how to do email marketing. Understand that the vast majority of the traffic at Udemy that you can buy are business opportunity quality leads. These are people that are really, very, very new, and they're out looking for ways to make money online. So they're looking for kind of like a business in the box thing, so they can just grab it and run with it and make it simple, which obviously is not very realistic. They very rarely work. A lot of them are scams. A lot of them don't even pay if you do work. One of the best ways to make money, though, without a doubt, is selling products on ClickBank or JVZoo. Maybe do some other affiliate networks out there like Cash Networks or Nexus CPA networks that are great because you can promote their products and get paid. The reason why I prefer ClickBank is I've got a very long history with them, about 15 years, and I have consistently brought home a lot of money from ClickBank. But here's the thing. When you're buying solo ad traffic, and this goes for anybody who buys really at JVZoo, what you're getting is traffic for people interested in a business opportunity. Now, it's quite a bit different than the types of products that are available on ClickBank. ClickBank has little products that are basically how-to sort of things, how to email market, which is one of the products I sell, or how to YouTube market, which is another one that I sell. How to put up a WordPress site, how to do this, how to do this, how to make money, maybe with taking surveys, which is a difficult way to go. So there are all these sort of more or less small niche how-to products. There's some really, really, really good products on ClickBank. The SAS, they call it, the secret affiliate system, which is a little higher price, but it definitely works because it teaches you how to use pay-per-click advertising. And there's another one that's called their book program, which is it's a arbitrage buying and selling books from Amazon to Amazon as a preferred seller. It's a very weird little get you in the Amazon system that will allow you to do very well. And some people do great with that. And Amazon has those products on, or not Amazon, but ClickBank has those products on their website. And they're the kind of thing that business opportunities look for. But the problem with most people when they pop into Udemy is they're buying for a pre-packaged, pre-canned sort of system. And since I sell, 500,000 clicks a month, I have a tendency we opt into pretty much every single sales funnel where a customer buys us. I have a special Gmail account I use just to opt into those so I can see each individual business opportunity and how they respond with their customers. And you can really quickly get a good perception just how good these guys are now. I opt into some of these sellers and they're amazing. They send out quality emails every day, every other day. They have videos integrated with them. They're branding themselves as a guru, a person that knows what they're talking about. They're taking it a step ahead of the average guy that just sends out emails that say, get rich quick, click here. And those guys, I think, make lots of money selling ClickBank products and other high-end products and coaching programs via the traffic they generate from Udemy because they spend the time to actually inherit that traffic, make it their own, and become branded to that traffic, and then sell it increasingly higher value products because people trust them. That's kind of the best way to go about doing it. There are most of these business opportunities I sign up for with Udemy or I register. You get 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 emails from them trying to sell you their package, and it's over with. And the problem is that the people that get involved in these business opportunities, they sign up and they spend a bunch of money buying traffic, and they get 3 or 4 shots to sell something, and then they get frustrated because they don't. And they never use that list to promote to anybody else. it's really kind of a fool's errand. And the list they have is really looking for business opportunities. So they can do two things: sell business opportunities, or maybe sell coaching programs and stuff like that to them, or sell solo ads. So, like for my solo ad business, I import data by the boatload. I sift through the data, find the people who are interested in business opportunities, and we promote them until they open and click on the email, in which case we purge them. I mean, we run it completely different because we realize I personally cannot brand myself to that traffic because it's just here and gone. Now, when I run my sales funnels on Aweber or GetResponse or SendGrid, which are the three ways I deliver sale funnel traffic, they get videos like this one here, and they get content that is quite a bit more in depth, more rich, more training, more value than what they would normally get. So they love that stuff, they eat it up, and they begin to develop that trust level with me, and I'm able to sell really the higher price coaching packages, which is where I make more money. But the other thing is, when I sell ClickBank products or anything other than a business opportunity, and I don't sell any business opportunities personally, I don't run a single email out and say, oh, that's a scam, I didn't make money. I schedule out 60 to 90, even up to 120 days worth of emails selling multiple products throughout those schedules. And this is the biggest thing that most email marketers miss. I don't do any broadcast. And people come to me all the time, Bill, will you be in this product launch? We're going to have this JV contest. I've won probably 50 JV contests 10, 15 years ago. I'm overdoing that because all it does is wear your list out and wear out your autoresponder, and they dump you. So what I do is I set up my sales funnel, and I just stuff leads into it, and I let them go through the funnel, and when they get to the other end, they're dumped. Or in the case of my solo ad business, after they've clicked, they're dumped. Now, my cost for a lead in the solo ad side is like a nickel. Now, you're never going to get solo ad leads that quick because we spend $100,000 or $200,000 building our platform to be able to manage low cost leads and get people to open and click emails. Most people aren't going to do that. We did that to build our 7-figure solo ad business. It really is a $1 million business. People go, how could you do that? Nobody could do that. Yes, you can. But I'll teach you that another day. My niche business, which is all the ClickBank products I sell, and I do some JV Zoo, not much, is part of that long sales funnel. And people lose interest. Well, this is true. They do lose interest, and they get frustrated, and they quit reading emails. I try to keep the emails fairly entertaining, and I do use other people's swipe, but I will typically include a video, clicks out to my social media sites so that they can follow me in other ways, and they can see my sincerity and begin to build trust with me. It's that trust that actually sells people, and that's what you have to do fairly quickly. And the only way to do that is through kind of a more of an integrated marketing approach where you're letting them know you're a real person, you're not just a pen name, and that you're there and you're trying to help them. And that process makes it possible for me to sell half a dozen ClickBank products in the morning and another half a dozen in the afternoon. So I'm bringing in a consistent $600-700 in commissions daily on ClickBank just because I have all this stuff going on in the sales funnel. And I don't have to touch it. And I don't have to write any emails. I don't have to do any broadcasts. None of that stuff. But it's not like the first email I send to the guy, he buys, which is what everyone expects because they listen to all the bullshit that marketers are out there saying that this will convert and you got dead leads, nothing like that. No. It doesn't matter what sort of lead you have. You can cultivate them and get them interested. And if they're not opening your emails, you get rid of the guys really quick. So you want to focus on that stuff. This is what we teach with Bulletproof Email Solution, is we teach people how to segment their lists, which is the other thing I do. What are you interested in? Find out, move them into that area, and just consistently sell them what they're interested in. If you do these things and you got to look at Udimi as a traffic source for what it is. And the concept that I run with is it doesn't matter if it's pay-per-view, Udimi, data leads, what the traffic source is. It's not a matter of forcing our product down their throat. It's a matter of actually monetizing that traffic. Some people, all you're going to do is get them to click on ads. Put AdSense up. Some people will click on solo ads. Solo ads. So you monetize your traffic. You don't force your traffic to be conform to what you want. You can help massage them and bring them along, and you can teach them about internet marketing and get them to buy ClickBank product versus business opportunities. But that is not done in a single day. And if you want people to open your emails on a consistent basis, like, oh, there's an email from Bill, I got to check this out. You got to give them some value. You got to give them a reason to get excited to see your name in the from line. And that's because you're teaching them and you're building a relationship with them in a mass way. And that's why this mass integration marketing is so important, because they see your social media and what's going on, and they see your videos, and they see your Facebook posts, and they see your Instagram pictures, they see all this stuff. They begin to understand you're a real person, and then they start to develop. People, I've literally had people walk up to me at live events where I was putting on presentations and have them go, hey, Bill, how you doing? I'm sorry, I feel like I know you because I've been getting your emails for years. And I just wanted to thank you for everything you've done for me, and I appreciate it. That's what you got to do to sell ClickBank products and high-value products using Udimi traffic. And honestly, it's not just Udimi, it's any traffic source. So you just got to take action. And you can't expect 2 or 3 emails to sell your product. And you can't expect to sell only one product and get rich. So y'all have a great day.